How to add transitions in Capcut PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add transitions in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First you have to just open the project that you want to work on, and now just click the project, and then on the top you'll get this menu, and here you'll find this transitions option. Click it, and here you'll find all the transitions over here. If you click this transitions option, you'll get the menu over here, and you can just choose the transition that you want. For example, if you want the blur option, just click it and you can add the blur transition. For the camera one, go to the camera option, and here you'll find all the options over here. And now you can just add the transition by clicking this and downloading it, and then just click this plus sign and add the transition to your video. And that's the process that you can follow to add transitions to your videos on CapCut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.